Hello.
Hello?
Hi, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so tell me, what do you do?
I doing graphics design job as a freelancer. I working in online
Okay, great. And how long have you been a graphic designer for?
almost 3 years.
Okay. And why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I need to improve my English for speak with my clients. Most of my clients are from United States and some of them from England also.
Okay, wow. So you have clients all over the world.
Yeah.
Okay. And tell me a bit more about yourself.
Uh, about myself.
Yes.
What do you want to know? Uh,
Tell me how old you are. I already know you're a graphic designer. Tell me about your hobbies.
okay, I am 28 years old, living in a nice village in Bangladesh. My hobby is I love to play cricket. You know cricket?
Yes, I know cricket. South Africa plays against Bangladesh a lot.
Uh, do you like it?
I don't like sport.
Okay. I like to play. I like to play cricket, and I also like to communicate with others people from all over the world. I started my YouTube channel mm, to upload my conversation video. Will you allow me to upload my conversation video for my followers?
Yes, you're allowed to.
Okay, thank you. I'll upload this video also with my followers, and I'll put your teacher's link under this video. Okay,
Okay, thank you. So,
you are
what
welcome.
what all do you put on your YouTube channel?
Sorry.
What content do you put on
Okay.
your YouTube channel?
I trying to upload my random content about my daily life. That's it.
Okay, that's actually very interesting.
Thank you.
Okay. And tell me about your family.
Okay, my family. I have I have three brothers. Mm, First one is me. Second one is living in Czech Republic.
Yes, wow, that's
And
far.
yeah, and third one is also here in my village.
Okay. And what is your brother doing in the Czech Republic?
He is a student.
Okay, so he's a student over there.
Mhm.
Wow, he studies very far from home.
Yeah,
And your
and
parents?
I living with my parents here in Bangladesh.
Okay, and what do they do?
My father has business and my mother is housewife. In Bangladesh, I think 95% women are housewife. They don't
Okay.
they don't work in outside.
Okay, they actually stay at home and look after the children and make food, things like
Yeah,
that. Okay,
yeah.
great. That sounds like fun.
Mm. So
Okay.
tell me about South Africa.
Okay, South Africa is beautiful. We are starting our summer now. It's summertime by us, and it's beautiful. There's many different places to visit, many different people to see. Everyone's
Hmm.
very friendly in South Africa, and we have
Okay.
very nice food to try out as well.
Hmm.
Yes, it's a very nice place.
Can't see your face in camera.
Can't you see my
Anything
face?
wrong?
Okay, give me 1 second. Let's see.
Okay.
What's the problem over here?